Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Our presentation for wastewater treatment technology today will tell about biogas treatment plant. Before we start, I will introduce you guys with our group. This is I, Farah, Adib and Hafizah. So now let's go to the presentation.
The introduction about biogas treatment plant is biogas treatment plants are crucial in the renewable energy landscape, maximizing the potential of organic waste to create biogas and a renewable energy source. We had a visit to the biogas treatment plant in Kemaman, Terengganu, Malaysia. The Concord Group, a subsidiary of the Concord Group, began experimenting with renewable energy in 2014, primarily in Malaysia and Indonesia. Their primary goal is to launch renewable energy RE projects in Malaysia, focusing on developing biogas plants in palm oil mills for electricity generation. Concord RE provides engineering design, procurement, construction, and commissioning services for the palm oil industry. The parameters at biogas treatment plant that use such as temperature, pH, retention time, and gas composition.
Next, I will explain about the processes that include in regenerate biogas from POME, which is palm oil mill effluent, and also the influent and effluent properties that include in the process. The first process is cooling tower. The function of cooling tower is to lower the temperature. The optimum temperature should be around 42 to 43 that should be maintained for preparation entering to the third process in digester. And in cooling tower, the value of COD is usually around 45,000 milligram per liter, where the higher the value of COD, the better gas is produced. Second process is mixing pond. The function in mixing pond is to increase the pH from acid to alkali. In this process, POME will be mixed continuously until it reaches the parameter where the pH is more than 7, and this is also to ensure the POME will not become sour. Third process is digester. In digester, this is where the conversion of POME in the form of KAS. It consists 4 stages of cycle, which are hydrolysis, acidogenesis, acetogenesis, and methanogenesis. In digester, the more gas produced, the higher the fuel that can be used for the engine. Parameter influent that should be maintained in digester is pH should be more than 7 and the temperature is around 42. The fourth process is the overflow. Overflow is the path that connects the digester to the pond settling. And the last process, before it goes to discharge process that will be explained by one of my group members, is settling pond. The function of settling pond is to reduce the amount of sludge produced, and all the solids that are not settling down yet will further settle at settling pond.
Next, treated process. It functions to cleanse the water before dumping it to the anaerobic pond. So what I mean the anaerobic pond, it removes the BOD which can be reduced 40 to 85%. Then undigested material and non-degradable solid as button slush. Next process is scrubber. The function is cleaning the raw biogas to remove impurities such as hydrogen sulfate and carbonic sulfate. Then chiller. It functions to cool a fluid by removing heat from air and also removal of carbon dioxide from biogas to increase its maintenance content. After that, we go to engine for converting mechanical energy into electrical energy through generators attached to the engines. They also function to produce 450 volts of electricity and has a capacity of 1.2 mega. Next process is power station. So the gas generated yearly will replace fuel from methane gas that the Concord Group produce. The last process is transformers, which is the resulting gas will be generated to increase the electricity voltage then sent to the MB substation. So Concord Group generates 450 volts and increase it to 11,000 volts.
From the report, we can conclude that biogas is a clean source of energy. Biogas plants have been in operation for a long period of time, especially in rural areas around the globe. The research organization should focus on newer, efficient, low-cost design. The government can play an important role by introducing different legal frameworks, education schemes, and the availability of technology and simultaneously creating more awareness and providing more subsidies.